Here is the first look at Vevos 1.3. We rebuilt the Process Assistant to give you even more AI power out of the box. The assistant will render in real time to give you deeper insight into the process creation, allowing you to stay in full control. Work at your pace with clear details and pause at your liking. Share files and have new documentation generated in seconds. The process editor is rebuilt from the ground up. An experience so smooth, you'll finally want to map out processes. We continue to improve the rest of the platform. Yes, let's hold the applause. And don't forget, security is at the epicenter of everything we do. Vevos, make AI deliver on its promises.